Alright guys, we got the Mojave out today with some street tires on here. What are these, Greg? You got these from China?
Yeah, AliExpress or something.
But they seem to hold up extremely good, actually.
They seem belted. They're good size. Car coming. But yeah,
and
I like them.
And you got 8S in this too?
This is 8S, yeah. 8S Castle 2028 system with Mamba X.
Alright guys, we got a car coming. We'll get right back to you. Alright guys, car is passed and we are ready to rock the Mojave on some street tires here.
Doesn't turn very good and I'm still having diff issues.
Just a little three-wheel skating, yeah.
Let's see what I get for speed here.
Not bad, I'd put it at 60.
Yeah, I'd say so.
That'd be my rough guess, at minimum 55. On 3 wheels, yeah. Yeah! Oh, we got a big truck coming, folks.